So we did in fact get a blizzard. I know I misspoke yesterday in my video saying that if you call this a blizzard, end quote. And I woke up this morning to come out to see the conditions and get an early start on shoveling, and I barely can make it to the street. So pretty incredible. There are a few dog walkers out, few people out shoveling, but again, it's a ghost town and very peaceful and very cool. It's scenic to me. I love it. Not a fan of the frostbite and recording this video. My hand feels like it's about to fall off, but it's pretty cool. I love the snow, but I also hate it at the same time because it slows everything down. Anyway, may you all have a blessed day. If you had snow where you are, please take great care, exercise caution. If you're experiencing a sunny day, nice and warm and untroubled, enjoy that too. Peace and love. A local news crew came by as I was shoveling, and they recorded me smiling happily as I was just putting in work, just trying to just create some little bit of a leeway for me to walk to get to the door. And I thought it was pretty funny. I've never been on the news for anything bad, obviously. But if you happen to see me on the local news, dark-skinned man smiling with the beanie, please give me a holler, let me know. But anyway, it's been fun. Peace. I want to give a special shout out to my tools. I've had this guy for like 5 years. And a dustpan. That's it.